Hello guys, my name is Purnendu and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm excited to showcase my latest Power BI project focused on the e-commerce domain. So in this video, I am using Amazon sales dataset, which is collected from Kaggle. So here is the dataset. So first, I'll check all the columns here. Like first is product ID, product name, category, discount price, actual price, discount percentage, rating count, and many more. Okay. So before going to Power BI, first I'll tell you all the business objective we can analyze here. So first analyze which category capture the market by their price or their order quantity, by their revenue, everything. Second, which is the total revenue they generate from the individual category, also from the subcategory wise. Then, price of the product having high demand in each category. Then, the top discount price, total sales by each category, and what are the top and low rated products so they can see what needs to improve market. So, without wasting time, let's move back to the Power BI, start create the dashboard. Okay, now let's open Power BI first. Just import the dataset from here, text and CSV. Okay, first we don't load the data from here because we need to clean some data, change some value. So just click on the transform data. Okay, it's done. Now we'll check all the data sets, all the columns types. It's okay or not. So first of all, it's product ID, it's okay, product name is okay, category is okay. So let's go to the discount price. It need to be the decimal number, but it is a text. So we need to change the rupees value. So we go to the transform and replace value. We just copy the logo and just value to found here and replace it. Okay. We are doing same with the actual price also. Okay, now it's converted to decimal number. Yeah, it will done, and same goes to actual price. Discount price is okay. Rating is also decimal number. Rating count also decimal number. Okay, so we don't need that about product, so we can delete it. User name, user ID, review ID, and review title. We don't need that. Review content. We don't need that. Image link. We don't need that. Okay, so let's keep the product link if we need or not for some analysis. Or so in this category column, we've seen too much category division, so we don't need all the division. So first one is we'll use first one as a category and last one as a subcategory. Okay, so I'll do it. So first click the category column and then we will go add column. Then we need to use text before delimiter. So we'll give the text before delimiter and we detect the delimiter and click on OK. So we got our category section. Now we will turn to the subcategory, same, but now we use text after delimiter and we need to change that from the end of the output and click on the delimiter and we will get the subcategory. So now we don't need that category column now because we got our original category and subcategory. So just rename the column now. And now just move back to the beginning side, all the column. Okay, now I will check in each and every column is there are any null value or is a blank cells here or not. Subcategory, there are no null value. discount price, there are no null value. Same goes to actual values, actual price. Okay, we got a discount price 0. It's okay, 0 is okay. Let's check once. Okay, the actual value discount price is same, so it's obviously 0% discount. And it goes to rating. Rating is all good. Okay, there is some data format error in the rating section, so let's check it later. Okay, now comes to rating count, where we have some null value. We have 2 null value, so I need to change the value here, but we don't know what value we input here. So let's click the product link and check in Google. Okay, I got the product, and there are 13 rating. So I need to replace the null value to 13. So first of all, but there are no option to change the single row. So we just okay. Let's check the second product. Okay, click the link and paste it into the Google. But I think we can't find that product. Okay, we are doing some manual search by the product name, but I don't think so. We found one, but this is not the same product which we are trying to find. Okay, so let's back to the data set, and just first value we need to change as 13, and we need to change the second value as 0 because there are no rating and we can't find the product. So for this process, we first just change the filter, delete the filter, and just replace value with to null to 13. Let's come to the rating section. There are some data format error. So I believe I just need to. Okay, we can't find the error. Okay, we could not convert to number. I think there is some number issue because we already saw in the Excel section there are some type error, like one in text value and one in decimal value. So I think there is some error while loading in the Power BI. So now just keep on this rating section. You can replace the value. So let's go, keep it now, and let's close and apply. Okay, there are one error, you can see. Okay, so now we need to change that one value 13 to 0 because we changed the both value to the 13. So new column, which is name rating count updated, and we use if function where and also end function because we need to comply with the two condition. One is 13 and on another anything like index number 320, and if true is 0, if false just go with the rating count. So we found that updated column, and we just found that now it's updated 13 to 0. Okay, now we are checking that rating column. Okay, we got the blank value which give us the data type error, which is now shown as a blank. We need to change the value by the product name. Okay, so we can find the value in the when I click that edit query section. So we need to remember some another column value. So let's check discount percentage is 0.16, right? So let's go to the edit query and apply the filter. in the discount percentage. So like it's 0.16 and click OK. Okay, so we got that error value, and just go to the transform and replace error. And okay, so now we need to find that rating. So just same goes to just click on the product link and open the Chrome and click. Okay, we got that rating value is okay, rating is 4 out of 5. So we need to change the value 4, change the replace value 4. Okay, now it's 4 and click on the OK. Okay, now it's all done. We clean the dataset and we change the value. We got the category value, category section and subcategory section. So without wasting time, let's go to the dashboard section and create our dashboard according to our business object, which I already discussed just start of the video. You can check it out again. So let's go create our dashboard. So we are done with the dashboard. Let's check it out. First, we have slicer at the top corner which shows all the category. If we click to car and motorbike category, the bottom we can see air purifier and ionizer is only one product which sold in the market. Next, if we see computers and accessories, where we can see USB cables earn most revenue and also place large amount of order. Then we have total revenue and total revenue without discount in the certain period of time. Then we have another slicer where I categorize the product quality by the customer rating. If the customer rating is above 3.9, then the product is good. If the product is above 2.9, then it's average, else it is low. After that, I place two cards which show most profitable and most rated product in the market. It is also changed by the category. Then we have total revenue by category, where you can see the electronics product earned most revenue by the category in the market. Then we have a matrix chart where we can see every product ID, category and rating amount and the selling price. Then I use another page as a tooltip. So when you hover in the category section or any product ID, then you can see every individual product details, product ID, product name and rating count, everything you need. So that's it with the dashboard. We found all the objective we want in the dashboard, you can see. So thank you for watching my Power BI project showcased on the e-commerce dashboard. I hope you found the insights and the analysis present in the project informative and helpful. If you have any question or comments about this project, so feel free to leave them in the comment section below. As always, if you found this content useful, please like and subscribe my channel for more analysis project and tutorial using Python, using Excel and also using Power BI. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, stay up to date on my latest content. Thank you again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.